Want to smell tantalizing? I love gold. When you look good, you feel good. We're talking about elegant old money look, feminine energy, soft girl looks, everything like that. And we're going to be talking about the hair, the makeup, things that I have done to switch up my style, to change it up a little bit. And let's talk about it. If you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. Listen to this.
You need to dress how you want to be addressed.
Listen, I'm a high value woman, God-fearing woman, in my feminine energy woman. First off, let's start off with the hair. These days I've been enjoying wearing my hair out, but this wig just gives me all the elegancy I'm looking for. And guess what? It's synthetic. Can you get this in human version? Of course. But I got this not because I can't afford human one. I got it because I was really just curious. Longer, it was 31 inches. Medium length hair that just screams elegance to me. You could have an elegant look with short hair. You can have elegant look with braids. You can. But for me, I like a nice blonde wig, and I like wearing my hair back tied up in a bun. For foundation, we are using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. Absolutely love this foundation. It gives you all the glow. Look at how gorgeous this foundation is. Look at my skin, glowy, and I didn't even use layers. It was literally one side, and it looks absolutely stunning. I love a full coverage concealer, and my go-to is always the H&B Cosmetics concealer, and I'm in the shade 4W. When I put foundation, I don't put it under my eyes, because when you layer too much product, it's gonna start creasing, it's gonna start moving. So even when you put like your moisturizer, avoid putting too much on there. I start at the bottom. I actually find using a dry puff actually works pretty good too, because I usually spray it, but I feel like it leaves me a little patchy when I do that. We are going to contour and bronze. These days I kind of bronzer or bronzer. So bronzer is warmer and contour is cooler. Contour is supposed to create shadows. Bronze is supposed to warm up the face. So when you mix that together, you get a burst of both worlds. So I'm using the curve case. This is my go-to. I absolutely love it. I'm surprised it's not finished yet. It's cool. You can see that it's actually warm as well. So if you want to get more from your concealer, just leave it bake a little bit. That means you just leave it sitting. Make sure that it doesn't dry quick. So the H&B one doesn't dry quick, but if you have a concealer that dries quick, you can just start blending straight away. You see how my face shape has been defined. I'm gonna blend this concealer. It's been sitting here. Bright under eyes, like extreme bright under eyes, are definitely like a UK girl kind of thing, because I did do the Vanessa Gimmer. I was butchering her name. Gimmer. It's not Gimya. Oh, it's not. It's Gimmer. Set. And then if you want to bake after, you can. Some people don't bake. Some people just set. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless translucent powder, and it's a pressed powder to set. And then I will bake. The fact that it's translucent, don't worry if it's looking crazy white. It's translucent. You're gonna, when you spray and when you try to like go around it, it's gonna sort of come down. Me, or there's just something about a pink blush. I love a pink blush. And if you want to get like really pigmented blush, I use my eyeshadows, and I'm just going with these three here. Fine eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Deep. Actually, they've got light, medium, and deep. And this is from Fine Art Beauty. And pink on women of color is chef's kiss. Gorgeous. Obviously, how you place your blusher as well can change your whole entire look. If you place it on the apples of your cheeks, it makes your face more fuller. If you place it on the sides, it gives you a more defined look. If you press it on the temples, it just gives you that little 70s look. I've got a video where I talk about blush 101. So I like to put blush before bronzer. I'm going on that forehead, on my cheeks, and I move it down. And so this bronzer is from P. Louise. It's got some shimmery beads, which just makes your face glowy. We want to hydrate our face before we fix it. I actually do my foundation, my base, and stop halfway. I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Color Concealer, and I'm using that as a base primer. So my kind of elegant look is pretty much simple eyes. So the simple eyes could literally just be contour around the eyes. This palette here from Makeup Revolution, it's a go-to. I pack this everywhere, especially if I don't want to put too much eyeshadow. It can act as a bronzer, eyeshadow, you know, it's eyeshadow already, contour. It's got everything, and blush. I like to kind of keep it warm when it comes to my elegant looks. I like to just do the bare minimum. So I'm going on with this dark brown, and I'm just following the shape of my eye at this point. And it doesn't need to be harsh where you're like, I need to see the brown. No, it needs to just look like, oh, she's got a little something. Can you see? I could just leave it like this. I could just leave it, but I'm not going to. And using like this gorgeous color, we'll just tie it up, and it's so simple. I would go with this basically, but this is also nice because it adds like a little pink color. If you're gonna put some eyeshadow, it has to go with your look that you're wearing. And I always say this look, the eyeshadow looks that I'm doing, they go with everything you wear. Just go back again just to kind of like make sure it's not overridden. I go under my eye with the same brown eyeshadow. Brown eyeshadow on brown eyes, stunning. This gorgeous palish pink, put it in our inner corner, and this will just brighten your eye. Can you see this? Look at the difference. It's a small difference, but it's cute. The most simplest eyeshadow, but with a flawless banging base, using like a brown, dark brown liner just to give me that a bit of wing, but not like, it's more like an effortless wing. Can you see? It just gives me sultry. So also one of the other things I like to do is lining in my inner corner. So what that does, it just elongate your eyes. So can you see? That's kind of like elongate the inner corner of my eyes. You could do this with that black liner like Nicki Minaj does it, but then that just showing, it's a bit too intense and you can see it. But this, people can't see it. They'll be like, she's got gorgeous eyes. Ooh. Have you noticed anything from this makeup look so far? All the products we've used have been drugstore. Who said you can't look good, elegant, on a budget, classy, old money? Drugstore products that are probably under £20. Moment of silence on these gorgeous lashes. Beautiful contour and highlight kit from Makeup Revolution. And putting this in my waterline, it literally gives me an open eye without doing too much, without that extreme harsh white line. But because this is a highlighter, it's got a bit of gold in it. And I'm also gonna put this in my inner corner setting. Be Perfect highlighter, it's called Ice Queen. This is extremely pigmented. If you got an extremely pigmented highlighter, just get some of it and then just tap it. So tapping it is gonna remove the extremeness, and I'm just literally barely touching it. So when I turn, you're gonna see that little highlight. Like, she's glowing. Must be the glory of God. So that is good. We don't want to be doing the 2016 highlighted. Last time it was a comment on the old money look, and somebody said, well, old money is brown lips. So then I said, well, it can be brown lips too. Don't just say it is just brown lips. So we're going to be doing brown lips today. I wanted to do red because I always do brown lips. Liquid lip stick from Makeup Revolution. It's still being sold. They got other ones too, but I got the same one because I love it, and it's in the shade Glory. And this one is actually from Beauty Forever UK. It's a liner. It's a dark brown. We're gonna go in with the Jardine Cosmetics, and this one is called Skin, and it's a nude lip gloss. I love how cute and subtle it is. I was thinking to go with the lip balm as well, the Juicy Peptide Lip Balm on top, because it's got this gorgeous color. I don't think it overrides the gloss. This smells so good. Like, we're gonna fix our face. Do not ever forget this step. Use Makeup Revolution spray. Is not only gonna hold your makeup, but it doesn't dry it out. It does say matte, ultra matte, but I don't think it's extremely ultra matte. So this is the gorgeous makeup look. We've created the elegant makeup look. The elegant look is not just my vision, not just the makeup and not just the hair. To pair this whole look, I'm gonna put this gorgeous choker, which is like a gold one, which you can just put around your neck, and gorgeous. Something about gold screams elegance to me. Nice gold earrings, and they just go with this look. And look at that, okay? Yeah. Then we got this nice jewelry. I broke my nails, so gold jewelry from Primark. So I've got this. Forget this, okay? Just look at this like this. One. So it's not just all gold. Can we see? Yeah, you can have a normal watch from Primark, from River Island and stuff, because River Island, they do have those nice, simple but stunning pieces. Absolutely divine. I'm gonna wear this nice black and white jacket from Shein. It actually comes in as a suit, basically. Ma'am, you cannot tell me I'm not looking the part. So cute, you know. It's already giving elegance. It's with my hair tied back, and it just looked so good. A cute pair of glasses. Okay, you could wear these ones, you know. But if your makeup is looking good, like, look at how it already just, yeah. If your makeup is looking good and you don't want glasses because it's gonna mess up the nose area, just go like this. You want to smell good. You want to smell tantalizing. When you smell good, you feel good. When you look good, you feel good. When your hair's on point and your nails on point, you can. So this perfume I am so obsessed with, and it's from Florist Street, and it's not expensive, baby, but it lasts long. And this is 50 mils, so it's around 30 pounds. It was gifted to me, however, I love the smell. Think of floral. This one is called Wonderland Peony. Peonies are my favorite flower. I like what I like, and it smells good. So do not go like this, or just turn your hand around and just spray your hair. My sister always says swim in the perfume. Spray your hair, spray your shoulder. Obviously, we're not gonna forget the bag, are we? It's not Gucci. It's a gorgeous beautiful bag, goes with the outfit, and it's got this gold bits. I love gold. So just remember, knowing like looking good is not for anybody but yourself as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my elegant look. So this is it. This is what we're trying to do this year. This is the whole journey. Was it screaming elegant? Is it screaming classy girl? Is it screaming I'm in my feminine era? If you enjoyed this video, please sure to comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this video. And also, if you're new, what's good? Why have you not subscribed yet? Please do hit that subscribe button, and please also join the community, join the membership growing on this channel. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.